In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Flodesk sign-up form really easily to your Squarespace website so that it fits in really naturally, just like this. You wouldn't believe it, but this is a Flodesk sign-up form on my Squarespace website, and it looks just like one of the Squarespace native forms and fits in perfectly with my website. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to go to Flodesk, and this is just what the dashboard looks like, but I'm going to head to Forms first of all. And here you can see all the previous forms that I've created, but you'll probably have maybe none if you're just starting out. So I'm going to click on Create New. And first of all, Flodesk gives you some options of templates to choose from. So you can have a pop-up form on your Squarespace website with or without an image. You can also have an inline kind of banner one, which is similar to what I've used here on my homepage. You can also have one that has an image with it, or a circular image, or something that is a full page, which enables you to create a landing page. But for the purposes of this, I'm going to go for an inline with image, and I'm going to click Customize. It will then ask you which segment of subscribers you want to be adding people to once they sign up on this form. So I'm just going to create something new. And that's created a segment for me, and click Save. But you can choose to add it to a previously created segment if you prefer. So we're now on the Design tab, and I can basically click on anything to start editing it. So it's giving me some design options here, and I'm just going to select a white background, or you could change it to one of your brand colours that Flodesk asks you to put in when you first create your account and do in your settings. So I've got my brand colour palette down here, so I'm going to choose one of them. You can then click on the button here and change the colour of that as well if you want to. You can also change various other things about the button, like the shape and things like that, and change things like what these boxes look like, what font you want it to be in the boxes. Okay, so now I've customized my template, added the text in, changed the fonts to be my brand fonts and everything like that. I'm now going to upload an image that I want to display what the freebie is that I'm going to be giving away in this sign up form. And you can change what shape this is. You could make it a circle if you wanted to. I'm going to choose a square. And then I'm just going to finally change the text on here and the font as well. And that's it. So your sign up form is now ready. So I'm going to click Next. And then it's asking me a few different questions. So should we notify you when a new subscriber opts in? No, that's fine. I don't want to be notified. What happens after the form is submitted? I'm just going to get it to display a success message, or you can get it to send people to a new page on your website. So now we have the task of adding it to Squarespace, which is really easy. All you need to do is copy this code, and first of all we need to add this into the header tag of our Squarespace website. It sounds more complicated than it is, but I'm going to click copy code, and I'm going to head over to my Squarespace website. And I'm going to go into the settings of my website, and then go to Advanced, and then go to Code Injection. And here is where you want to post within the header area of your website. You would just paste the script into there, just like I've done here, as you can see, and then click Save up at the top once you've done that. So once you've done that, you don't need to do that again for any more forms that you create. You only need to do that once, and then this is the code that you would paste where you actually want the form to be displayed. So I'm going to copy that, And I'm going to just open up a blog post that I've created already in my blog area. You can add these sign up forms to pages or blog posts or anywhere on your website where you have the full screen editor like this. I've just chosen to do it in a blog post for demonstration. And I'm going to go ahead and add a content block, which is a code block. And then get rid of this and just paste in the code that I said and click apply. So when you're in the dashboard, you won't be able to preview the form here. So what you're going to do is save it. Let's just make it full screen a minute and click refresh. And then once you've done that, you will then be able to see it loaded up afterwards. So it's just while you're editing the page, Squarespace doesn't show some embedded form things, but once you refresh it, you can see that this is how it's going to look on your blog post. So that's as easy as it is to add sign up forms to your website with Flodesk. Obviously, to then deliver this freebie, I'd then need to go and set up something else in Flodesk. So I'd also need to go to my workflows and set up a workflow to deliver that freebie that I've said I'm going to deliver, but that I will go through in a different video. So it's really, really as simple as that. You can then also go back to find your forms in Flodesk, and if you need to embed them anywhere else, all you do is hover over, click the three dots and click embed, and it will take you back to this page where you can just copy the code and place it somewhere else on your website. As you can see, I've got loads of different forms here. And the great thing about Flodesk as well is it tells you how many people have opted in using that form. So this is when I created the other day, and you can see that I've already had 49 opt-ins, and if I was to click that, that would tell me who's opted in and some more details about that. And again, it's so easy. I can just click embed to put that anywhere else on my website if I wanted to. The one on my homepage is this one, which you can barely see because the text is white because it needs to stand out against the green text. But all I've done is just created an inline version of a form instead of one that's got kind of this image next to it, just to make it really, really simple here. But as you can see, you can create a whole load of different designed ones and as many as you like. And it's really cool because you can see exactly who's opted into which form, and it will tag people with the correct segment once they have subscribed using a certain form. So you can also filter your audience by who has opted in with which form, which is awesome. Just really quickly as well, as another tip, if you are finding that you've pasted the code in where you want your sign up form to display, and you've done the code in the code injection and they still don't seem to be loading, or there's something wrong and they're not displaying, one thing that you need to check is in your design settings, in your site styles, is to make sure that you've got Ajax loading disabled. So sometimes on some templates, so I'm just going to search, by the way, in this search bar for Ajax, and then you'll see that it says site loading and it gives you the option to enable Ajax loading. Now on some templates this is automatically ticked, so you'll just need to uncheck this if you want your Flodesk emails to email sign up forms to display, and if they're not displaying properly, this could be the problem. So go and double check that in your design settings.